Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 1 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. If you have always wanted to Excel master but don't know where to start, you are in the right place. By the end of the series, you will go from a complete beginner to confident advanced Excel user. And here's the best part, the link all episode in this series is available right now in the descriptions and pinned comment, so don't miss a single one. Part 1, why learn Excel? Let's be honest, Excel is everywhere. From students to professional, Excel is used to almost every industry for calculation, reports and data analysis. Think of it as your superpower for data. And this series I will help you unlock that power step by step. Part 2, Excel interface overview. When you open Excel, this is what you see. The ribbon at the top. This is your control center with tabs like home, insight and formulas. Worksheet area. Rows and columns where you will do all your work. Cells. The small box where you enter data. Every cell has an address like A1 or V2. Formula bar. This is where you type in formulas and see the connects of a cell. And down here you have sheet tabs which allow you to work with multiple worksheets in a single file. Don't worry, this looks overwhelming. By the time you complete this series, you will feel completely at home here. Part 3, rows, columns and worksheet. Here is something important. Rows run horizontally and are numbered 1 to 3. Columns run vertically and are labeled A, B, C, D. Where a row and column meet, you get a cell. That's where the magic happens. And the best part, you can have multiple worksheets in one file. Think of it as different chapters in the same book. Alright, that's your first step into Excel. In this episode, we learn what Excel is, why it is so powerful, and explore the basic interface. In the next episode, we are going to get hands-on and learn how to enter data and format it like a pro. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Remember, this is just one episode. If you are serious about learning Excel from beginner to advanced, go check out the full playlist. You will find the link in the descriptions and pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Data Solution and let's grow together on this journey. See you in episode 2.